training, we learn a lot of things, and the consultant really give us a brief of the content and the things that we want to do, and really shift our paradigm from one area to another area. So it's really helped us, and maybe you can.
Okay, thank you. This is not just a creative, but it's a new knowledge for us to know how to solve the problem. We need to be more creative. We want to be the right person only.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think that's all. Thank you.
OTC Training Center, Sendirian Berhad, delivering the best training for you.